As I said, guys, Dee, she's getting her hairstyle, you know, she's getting a new look. So you're gonna stay tuned for Dee new look soon. So I can't wait for you to see Dee new look. Whoa, when time you see that new look there. Hey, Dee Mwango. When you see that new look, so
Mama, for the 9 months to carry her in your womb, no chance.
Yeah.
Mama, my love for you is more than words can say at this time. And though you are not here in flesh, but you still live on to your sons and daughters, children. Mama, Africa, yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Mama Africa, yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. And for so many years of slavery, could never forget so easily. Mama, Africa. Yes, and for so many years of blood, sweat and tears could never wipe away so easily. Mama.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well, Dream Team One Team, Dream Team One Team. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Welcome, and we thank you so much. Remember, if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, go and put the thumbs up and go and smash that like button. I remember over here it's strictly positivity, no negativity, no haters, no hate. Better you 9 and 10. We don't want no hate over here. Strictly positivity and only love. So as I say, we're here again and we're back out, back out on the journey. And as I say, we're back out on the journey where we're going to head back out, back on the country road again. So remember, guys, put the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and as I say, I got some free time, and the free time I'm have because naturally he's been putting in some work because the work been backed up, since he was here giving us the strength, helping us with this Dana project, and we really appreciate the time that he put in as well too. And before as well, when his mom passed away, he put a lot of his work on hold when his mom passed away. And then when he was back, he put in a lot of time on his Dana project. Naturally, as a man by work but backed up on him, so he's trying to get some work done, So if anyone wondering why no work going on, so that is what's going on right now. Really have appreciate and give thanks to Natural for his time. So whenever him have time, we'll back on it again, So stay tuned, stay tuned. I remember say this is where everyone volunteer and give them time, it's not a monetary game. Everyone volunteer and put in a time, and also you have some of the members and that's on the road that's putting in some work as well, which is great, where them can make ends meet, because this charity is everyone volunteer them time. I really appreciate that. So got some free time and spare time, so at the meantime I'll be traveling around, so what I can get done. See me bringing some great content, exploring Jamaica that we never explored before, where me never explore, especially Portland, the first time in my life I've been to Portland. You can't park, man. First time in my life, born and grew in Jamaica, I never been to Portland. If it was if a day come Jamaica and want to go Portland, I would have still never know Portland, that's not good. Because we're here, we should be exploring our country, and because our country is wonderful. So while I'm here, we're gonna be doing some of those contents. So remember, if you're watching and you put the thumbs up, please put the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So dream team, one team. Back here in Portland now, so you know we're on the journey, so I'm here now in Portland, you know, and look at this lovely, lovely beach. A lovely beach here in Portland. Wow. Lovely beach here in Portland, I'm not even lying, you know. So I'm back where the fresh air is. As I said, guys, Dee, she's getting her hairstyle, you know. She's getting a new look. So you're gonna stay tuned for Dee new look soon. So I can't wait for you to see Dee new look. Whoa, whoa, anytime you see that new look there. Hey, Dee Mwango. When you see that new look, so you probably remember this, we went and stopped and buy the pot. You know, we stopped and buy the pot, but the lady was selling the ital food. Yeah. Remember we stopped and buy the pot with the lady was selling the ital food, so we just reached in Portland and I said I kind of feel peckish. So she kind of feel peckish now. I said alright then. I tell her I said I come back come check her. So I guess I'm a man of my word, you know, so I'm gonna test out the ital food, give them say that the best, you know, so I'm gonna try it for myself. Yeah, so it's good to be back here, you know, even though we're not gonna be here for long, probably the next couple of hours and we're gone. If not, depends what time the here finish. So if I here not finish, probably have to leave tomorrow. So at the meantime, I come get something to eat. Try out the ital, where them say it's vital, you know, so that's what we need to come try out right now. Because the last time she tell me say yo it's the best. People tell me say it's good down here, so I come try it out myself. And as you can see behind me, how wonderful is this, you know? How wonderful is this? Look at the color water, blue and nice, you know? Check it out. Hey, the man drive hard. Not Portland, I'm not lie, you know? Them man beat Kingstonian who come out to driving. So we're in beautiful, beautiful Portland. I said, yeah, jeez, I'm crying. Yeah, so you have to watch them man when them are driving, because them man are driving not normal. So remember here we come, where we have Mama Fire Kitchen. And we come by the pot. So she, Mama Fire in there. She not there, Fire. Oh, we're in the kitchen today. Mama Fire. Oh, she there. Mama Fire there. So we're there with she and himself.
Outside the beeps. Nah man, you see me?
Yeah.
That is it.
What happened? Tell us when you come back. How is everything?
Alright.
Mama.
You want the cover for it?
Yeah man.
Mama Fire. I know that the same part I come by. I see him part I come by, you know. Ital, Mama Fire. Aye. I'll bless. Mama Fire. See, the same part I come by, you know. Imagine that. Imagine I come and I buy the same pot. And as I reach a man, I buy the same pot, same size, same everything. You know, so we're there at Mama Fire's place. You know, so as I say, today I'm greetings. So today I'm getting the ital where it's all vital, you know. And this is like a little village, you know. Look at this, it's a cultural village. This is, you know. Look at this. Like it's more of a Rasta culture living here. As you can see how it look, you know. I forgot to ask Mama Fire how it's going on, you know, because you can see the house them and everything go right up. It represent Rasta culture, you know. Everything represent the Rasta culture. Mama Fire, to say the data fire. Oh, could I think that? Oh, okay. Because what they went to me and talk to them, could I swear think I hear the mama. So you have the daughter fire, so daughter fire.
Yeah. So and you have Rebecca Fire is on my thing.
Oh, Rebecca Fire.
Yeah, but these are daughters, so.
Okay. So
everybody always a daughter fire.
So you have ital for me today?
Ital food?
Yeah, for me today. Yeah. You know, for me I come from Kingston feet, you know.
Well, we have Aki there, ital stew and callaloo, rice and peas.
Okay, ital stew. And we have the Aki with chunks?
Fire bun chunks in it? Or the pasta having the chunks? Straight Aki, plain Aki.
Oh, okay, ital stew. Shane, where you don't want?
Ital stew.
I make a call, Dee.
You want to see Mama?
Yeah man, more want to go on so we can make them people them so go on, you know?
Mama!
So I asked me to show her and Papi mother.
What's wrong? Huh?
Them have ital stew. So I finally have to come check out Data Fire. And a Mama Fire, Data Fire.
So you want this little pretty pack?
My mama buy it already. So right now. And this is Mama Fire. Hey. Hello Mama Fire. What they have big up on YouTube, you know. And they know what the Mama Fire. I'm finally now I have to come try the itals for myself. You know. But since I'm coming here, the energy I get is like a Rasta vibration, right?
Rasta village.
It's a Rasta village. So I'm never wrong. You see, I'm never wrong. So I'm telling you, it's like a Rasta village. Come on, see Rasta colors all the way down.
7 o'clock here, I do you know see.
You mean that telling so our church up there.
Okay. Yeah. So you know could I walk man and show me where I go and then are you son that? And daughter fire where say show me where I go and then come and come back, come check out. Yeah. Mama. So you alright mama?
Yeah,
so how is everything bro?
Life,
how is business? Come like
well, we hope that business will pick up and just step from step to step.
Step to step.
Yeah, cause we just give thanks. Anything when we get something to move on, we just give thanks.
Yeah. And we always have to give thanks, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, bless up mama. Yeah man, long time. Yeah. Alright. Yes mama. Mr. Brown, I have to come check mama. Yeah, every time. Show the love.
I want the long time.
Yeah man, original. Yeah.
Right, today boy.
Alright. Yeah man.
From the first husband.
See? Yeah man.
The woodland have a Bible and we in a barrack spring and them place, you know.
Alright, yeah man. So a long time you eat out of mama pot. Oh you mean? Alright.
Just natural, no eye, no head, no tail.
Yeah man. Just straight natural. Over 40 odd years. Yeah man, because
yeah man, that about 48 years.
Yeah. Fear, first husband and my old man they are brethren, key brethren. Okay. We used to go to woodland together. Yeah. So a sucker make me involved. Okay. It is the way, you know, right mama? Oh you mean that's energy food, you know, electric, you know.
Oh yeah, when I'm ready, he come and sip up in natural.
Yeah man, you know about it. Yeah man,
the woodland life and
that's where you need the natural. Alright. Yeah, well, Mr. Man, when you meet neither, you know. Me too. Natural me go, you know. Same thing. Yeah, man. Same thing. Nearly 20 years now, me no eat meat. Yeah, man. No. So I can't come to Portland, come left all the way from Kingston this time, you know. Yeah. I have to come here, so come check out Mama Fire Pot. Oh, you mean? So at the right time, he stop. Yeah, last time I come and buy a pot. Yeah. But no, me have to want to eat out of the pot. Alright. You know, some of the ital, you know.
We find out our food that we do medicinal. We just know say at the herb of the healing of the nation. So that's how we car, we know that's how the foundation and that's how the cleaning up of the generation. So you know say I know the eye and the head and the tail of the
righteousness, man. So this is the village, you know. Like the culture village, Rasta Beach. So a family live here or those?
Family.
Pure family.
Grand picnic, great grand picnic, and like my daughter and all 4 children. My son up there so the next part of the way. They're gonna give you a tour beside the church. You can't just make a tour anywhere.
I get a tour up there. The mama, so I get a tour then and so on. I get a tour. With data fire. So you know, so if I get a tour with data fire, because I'm not say, I like the energy. So I introduce the fireman so them can know.
Yeah man, I've been Gipele, 3rd generation of Rastafari through bloodline. See now? Yes sir.
So basically you tell me that this is the real way. Oh, yeah, see the tunnel there?
The tunnel there come from Buff Bay. Chopping through here so. Evening. Oh. Yeah man, so through here so you change to chop and go up Poland 20, see?
Wow, me have to go come in a fire. We have to show them this, man. This is greatness. Now which train is to run here?
The British train, you know, Jamaica, them say Jamaica Railway. Yeah. But we know say the British put in the track, you see me I say? Then after they move out 1962, now you know say Jamaica did take over the state, the corporation. Okay. So after the corporation couldn't run the train, them run it no longer, it run down. Run up in a bank up and the whole of the wall them drop down and cave in and so abandoned, you know?
Wow.
Yeah, but the monument's still there, our people build it, so still preserve batty night and things like that and the whole structure.
At the back that me look down there, sir?
Yeah, man, a fruit back there. And they maintain the whole ecosystem around there, you know, in a balance. You see what I say? Yes, sir.
Fire, yeah, so it's greatness, man.
Yeah, man. I will put tunnel around there, you know, because the next road where the British make around there, so they make it. Jamaica make a road there, like since Jamaica get independent, but the British road around there, so. And you still have a next tunnel up there, same way, where the spring pass through. So about a nice chain cross to the land around there. And I hope that the current come from electricity and everything. I run the village there, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so after years, them kind of only the train track used to there, it wasn't on the road. But yeah, after years now, they them cut the road over the train track and follow the sea coast.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man, so the mystery I get. You see what
Yo,
I thing? I
whole heap of thing is
on the highway, but they don't know the history of the place. So. And the history, that little piece of the history that I get, where the people live inland, and most of the people don't know them. Because if you turn to yesterday, you find whole heap of houses and a village up there.
Sure, them places.
Yeah, but on the back there, because the road up there, we drive from that and go up there and from that and go straight across the mountain. But people wouldn't know that we drive past.
No, they wouldn't know that fire. Because what you are telling me right now is quite surprising. Because you see, because we're rich in culture, and that's one thing I realize with Jamaica, we're very rich in culture. There's so much history and things there, but we don't even understand until when time we can link up. Yes, because a lot of us, you know, we don't explore our own island.
No, and we go to look for greatness out there, but the same greatness we are look for out there sometimes are right there. Simple and just natural and real. You're right on, yeah, and the people know it and the people live with it every day.
So they can tread all the way through, yeah, so.
Yeah, the spring that, this dry, you know, but it borderline some land and gone all the way by the top road.
So the drought affect Rios as well too, because you know, so we have a proper drought
for there. People can cut trees up at the top to the mountain too, you know, cause if you own property enjoying the land where the river run, and you cut the whole of them trees that were 200 year old, 300 year old, 150 year old. You take our next 150 years for go them tree there all the water.
That's true.
So you have a dry gully. So the people have to get that inside. You have a change the year old tree, but you plant one and wait till it reach halfway before you cut that one there. Because when you cut that one there, you take change the year for go that you did have gone and you just see the water, you see it.
So the train line where you see there, so where the dirt cover it after a while?
Yeah, well, them dig up the track, you know.
Or the track they dig up itself?
Yeah, them come and no, them they take up the track.
Them take up the track itself?
Railway take up the track.
Oh,
okay. So take up the track and the pulley in them and everything now, then the land left back.
It's left back with this.
That's good.
And now with this. And you see this, you could even see it on the outside there, you would even know. So you drive over one tunnel. Because fly past, because this is the main road that we drive from. This way. And over it covered pure trees and everything, so you would even know, say you have a tunnel right underneath here. So, and as I can see, the bats them down there fly so much, you know. So if you go in the back, them attack you?
No, sir.
No.
Them are fruit bat.
Or them eat from fruit.
Yeah, man. And then look at. You have one tunnel, so you have two over there, so you drive from the highway, and the next one on it, so right, it's the same.
Oh, so it's another tunnel this.
Yeah. So the train track run over this one I carry the water, see over.
This one?
Yeah, and then you have the one where the old road right there, so, and then you have two new ones right we make for the highway.
Yeah, Shane, did you know this, Shane? Did you know so you have a train track right there, so? A tunnel right there, so? Yes, that's where I go and do. Yeah, banana ripe on tree, man. It is from a reach one and some light energy. I'm coming around here and buy a pot from the data fire. I'm saying, yo, I have to come back, you know.
First of March, one is a visit, but
yes, sir.
Here where the people they come in sometimes, they can come in down their herb and learn something about themselves.
Yeah.
Because if one feel a religion, Rastafari come with, but Rastafari don't deal with no religion. Rastafari actually burn religion and deal with a way of life. And the way of life is nature and everything natural and balance. You know, in between all the high and the two low. Rastafari fall in between that to keep the people balanced. As Rastafari that teach about nature way from day one. If you eat natural and then they mix it up today, they call it all kind of thing. Vegan food, they call it healthy food, they call it all kind of name, but it's the Rastaman ital food that same way. So I'm teaching really reach to the university, reach everywhere, in the doctor's office and everywhere. It reach now. Green juice purify the blood and get so. Remember, you don't know the part of INI, the city INI forward. My old lady is straight in the city. My grandfather was in the city. I born in the city under the clock, Victoria Jubilee. Okay. See, from water or seeing.
See it there.
But we know how the thing go. That some of us stay in the city and some of us go in the countryside. We can provide for those where I'll get to cluster and want to come out same way. So it's, the branches of fire now. If I go to St. Mary's same way I pass through, you see me auntie around the same way because that's my grandfather they stop. And then my mother move on further and come at Portland. Actually my grandmother come from St. Mary Long Road. So it's a history. But my people, them going back to Waterhouse. And the first set of family, them will capture the land and develop them place there. The same as I they name it Firehouse from Waterhouse.
I understand. That's why them call it the Firehouse. From the
called the Rastafari community. You know? And them rise out and Jimmy Cliff and all of them vibes they come from out of the yard where our family did have one big yard where, you know, they with the ganja, they with the whole thing. See.
Yeah,
man. So we have I don't know Portland, I know. We have the history of the city still. So when they are say Trenchtown, the same link, a family link.
A family link.
Yeah, man, on the street.
You see, so the energy work.
You wouldn't know what I
wouldn't know.
The other day we came there and plant some trees, see them way down there, you know.
Yeah.
Carrying some fruit tree and come in and make a plant.
Yes, sir.
Wow place,
yeah, man, see that one, that's how we do the great work in a Trenchtown, we help the people there, man.
We love you to the everywhere, man. Nobody of you to me and show you the countryside and the indigenous
thing. Yes.
After them, when they want to leave the city and hand wine in there so that they can come in and pack up a bus and go into the sea and full joy the thing.
It is a life, man. It is a life, and I love the life, man. I'm telling you, down here, man, I'm just really enjoy the life, you know, nature life and everything.
But if they don't know, they wouldn't know. So there was a whooping the policy among Rastafari like that, where everywhere they are welcome like that. And when I look on nothing, you see me I say, we look on the cleanness and the inner man. We want to meet the souls of ones who are clean and airy and pure, we want to rebuild and reset time. So we can't go watch nothing at all, we can't go watch car, we can't go watch house or woman hairstyle or nothing. And we come on with our man, you see me I say, so if that clean and sweet, we work with that, because our generation want to find them.
Righteousness.
Yes, man, pure nature.
Pure love and righteousness, you know, because you must say, we'll get in teaching it long time, you know, because what creates is love.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, and love pure. It have nothing to do with you become a police, become a doctor. Another them thing that I like where the corporation put on your head for change it from the next one because you feel better and something thing. But when you take off all of them there and take off the shoes and stand up natural and the world will become natural, normal people. We are just, you know, beings of creation, which is pure light, pure energy, pure truth, pure. And so must meet each other and vibrate like that, and then your bank account and your credit card and who have more upon it and something like that wouldn't stop you from being equal and high. See? I just said that.
Much love and much respect, you know, love the energy, and I say definitely we'll pass through more, you know, if we can come get the culture. Yeah, man, vibrate the energy. Yeah.
Link in that by your picture.
Yeah, man.
That means the one who can overstand the first of March and yes the ground there, and all would can lead us and the one then welcome.
Yeah, the first of March.
Quarters we're gonna set it up a little better for the together, and that means the one can come in, restaurant the ancient them, the woman quarters there, so the tabernacle there, so we have a stage so and the kitchen and the whole vibration and pull of energy.
Yes.
Where everyone feel airy,
yes.
And hope that the spring come forward again by that time.
Yes, sir. It will come forward.
But if it not come with the tank up and have water.
Yes.
One-on-one irie, you see?
Yes, I love the energy in the village, man. You know, for some reason, I say, I have to come back. So, Mama fire that over there. Why, Mama?
Right, sir. Fuck with tell the virgins, yes, that fish start, you know, take you out of judgment, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You done, see it go and we move from that
long time. Yes, sir.
Catch you with that brown.
I talk about the Barracu, yeah, man.
You might say, boy, the king man first, king man make me get barra fish feet, you know. I get time, man.
Yeah, man.
Remember, Athens.
Yeah. So we're going to check out the food now, okay? I know I have to get my ital.
Yes.
Fill up the tank right now for the greatness and say, love the energy and everything,
yes.
So.
Give thanks, brother, more
yeah,
love,
man,
you know?
more righteous, man, you know. So I'm going to say,
yes,
the number is going to make us show them the number again, you know, for anybody. You can check out this spot there for the ital and everything, the culture and the history, you know, because I was moved by even the train tunnel and the history of the fire gave me, like, the energy was powerful, you know. It's a joyful thing for the right here, so, you know, as I can see from a reach, I see the vibration and all the place set up, you know.
Work we do, you know, we just ever working so the people can know natural and real, simple and like that, and big up Trenchtown all the way, the Rastafari roots.
Yes, sir.
And the people, you know, the heart of the people, them.
Yes,
you know what they say there?
Right,
big up yourself, Rastafari.
Big up yourself.
We don't want them not Trenchtown, Rastafari.
Rastafari, big up yourself, big up yourself, Mama, right in your kitchen, me I go now. Empress.
Yes, sir.
Blessed love, blessed love. Yes, sir.
All of them ancient, they from them time, they see it, so. It goes on, the tradition goes on, can never die.
It never die. There's a lot of long time Trenchtonian watch the program as well, you know. There's so much of them overseas.
Yes,
and them always call me and say, oh, remember 8th Street, remember that street there. So them probably see you and say like, remember Mama Fire. You know?
Them time they never not call me Mama Fire. Yesterday some brethren pan the call and say, anyone will give Mama Fire that name because from daughter darling days, you know.
Okay.
And ones know that Bongo, David daughter, Solomon niece and thing. And we are come from in them time of ground nation time till now we call it Naya being here. But from this it a come from and it can't die, it have to live and get more powerful every day more than more. You see, righteousness exalted the nation, you know. Sin is a reproach unto any people, so we are stay right. And live right and do right.
Not staying, not going wrong. It's
Rastafari.
a righteousness, it's a right way.
Yes,
Mama Fire, blessed love, yeah?
Rastafari.
Love the energy. Bingy Pele.
Power and strength.
Power and
Safe
strength.
drive.
Aye. Yes, man, the energy here is so wonderful, you know. So wonderful, man. Please, you need to come here and check it out right here. It's so natural, the vibration. As him said, the river is there, but the river kind of dry up. And over there, you have the sea, you know, the beach, CM over there. You know, it's just the vibration. Ital, you know, Mama Fire. You know, so you have the kitchen here for the ital. Them sell pots. I'm going to show you the number again. Right here. See it here. So this is it. Alright, let me show you the next sign. Right here, so see the Mama Fire. Mama Fire kitchen. You know, it's right on the highway right there. So you can see over there, sitting here. And over there. Right now, the food them already Shane?
Yeah, I do them.
Alright, I strew me the one, you tell him?
Yeah, so we are the 3 stew and 1 veg.
Alright. Fireman. So we have the chef. Well, so spice.
Original.
Spice or spice up pot.
Original spice.
Original spice.
Very
There's
good.
no.
Marijuana.
Hey.
Original.
Original.
Rastafari chant, you know.
So this are the spice, you know, the man spice up the pot and everything.
Yes, you know about.
So we have the Aki, huh? Aki ready. Right here, so in a pot. So we have the ital.
Yeah, rice and peas left, you know.
Yes, sir. Ital. What do you mean, the pumpkin seed?
No, them the vanilla. Them the sauce seed.
Oh, sauce up seed.
Yeah, man.
So we gotta do them, plant them?
Plant them, Papa.
Okay. One of them is a tree, right?
Yeah, man.
One is a tree. Hmm?
Yeah, what is that tree?
Yeah, this is all natural right
yeah,
here.
that change is nothing wrong.
Red rice. Natural.
Rastafari, you know, sir.
Natural. Ital, it's all vital.
Really, really, man.
So this is a whole heap of. It's a whole heap of so what's up this, you know?
Yeah, man.
A whole heap of soursup tree there. How can I see this?
If you want to come to fire, I'll tree back to check out, yeah?
I will see this fire.
Fruit, I want fruit to then call egg fruit.
Egg fruit.
Yeah, man.
Look like an egg, yes?
Yeah, I want to then call egg.
It look like an egg for chew. If you know anyone know anything about egg fruit. And a jackfruit. No, this is not jackfruit. This.
Egg fruit, it look like papaya, you know?
You know it?
You want to look like papaya,
yeah, look. At first, I see that seed there.
Yeah. You want to take what I see, go try the plant and see it go.
So we got to plant it back?
Yeah, man, you plant it, man.
Oh.
And it grow.
That one, yeah.
Can't tell you the tree how it still look, you know. We never see the big tree where bear, you know. Them the beer is so extra big, but them just in shape of papa.
Yeah.
I said shape of papa, them man.
Okay.
So them eat, boy, talk to how them eat and they make some nice juice too, you know. Yeah, man.
That's like the mountain sap.
No, it shape like a mountain sap.
Oh.
Yeah, I will show you how it juice look. Because I have the kind of juice, I have to them the left, mama.
I first, if you have all the fruit on them, I could have seed, it would be better. Because the first, I see that seed there.
You
So
see,
pinty.
you look unusually.
Yeah.
They want to look like nutmeg, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
So first, I see that seed there.
Alright.
Jackfruit seed. Yeah, like I must say, it look like jackfruit, but it's more pinty than the jackfruit seed.
Yeah, more pinty.
Yeah. Check out Mama Fire. You know, right there, so as I say,
Alright.
right there, so and spice up all of the right thing, the energy food, you know, energy. Yeah. And the juice that
Look like a fire.
you see, aye, with that color, yeah.
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 I said look, man. I said look, it was not good.
Jaja.
Yeah.
They can't show me because I'm not sound bleak, you know. Sure. Yeah.
Alright, shall I go sample?
Egg fruit.
That's how we use the same cup, man.
Alright, no, nothing. Dirty wise.
First, me I tell you something like this.
You see that? Really?
That's why they gonna come and rasta,
Yeah, you see.
Different taste. We can't tell the way it tastes like.
What?
As the first, my taste bud.
Yeah. Almond milk to use.
Where you want to use now this?
Almond milk. You can use vanilla lasco if you want to, but use almond milk also.
Almond milk.
Almond milk, man. You know almond milk.
Yeah. Ready to blend it up. That's
Yeah,
blend it up
because
alone.
take it and blend it with little water, you know?
And that's it. And that balls of fire.
Man, me tell you.
Energy.
What?
Come in for you.
Come try it.
Come in, man. You're there already, you know.
At the first, my taste bud can't recognize that taste.
Alright. I know one. I said, boy, I read.
So,
You see it.
do you see? Your taste bud not recognize it, though?
So, you know.
That come like mommy. You know
Mommy,
mommy?
That one I know, little this. With little stew, you say?
Yeah, me general.
my taste bud could recognize that. Me can't tell you what it tastes like. Like them I say, mommy. Me
Yeah.
can't tell you say it tastes like anything I ever drink before.
Yeah.
Never.
It's the unusual.
Unusual, let me tell you, very unusual. Energy man, everything is electric.
Say you know mountain stop.
No.
Me know a month, but
You go back.
it grow like
Show me.
sauce, you know?
Okay.
It grow like sauce, man. The tree look like sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, a month up, the tree look like sauce, you know? I will get back and I will put them in here.
Alright, I'm all I want yesterday.
I may have some bag and I will show you back.
Yeah.
Part in there.
Alright, so these are the the veggie chunks,
The bag there.
the pasta and the ital stew.
Fire, some part there out there, so get them to that please. So then I want just straight stew.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, one that's true.
Oh, twice stew.
I want the pasta and the
Alright, mix
Remember,
one.
I pour it some of the share, you know?
Eh?
I pour it some of the share.
Yeah, mix that one as well to for me with this stew
Okay.
and the veggie chunks. Yeah man, I like when I see it, so I go want one of this.
Beautiful. Beautiful for true, man.
Beautiful.
Veggie chunk, this
And the stew.
pumpkin and chop properly, you know.
Ital spot.
Ital.
We can't go wrong. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
The killer cup I want it too.
So one of them
So,
is, yeah.
That young black one go, yeah, get hot in here.
Let me close this set.
Some beans, Rastafari,
Aye.
Jen, monster.
Aye.
So the man I want just stew.
Yeah.
Mix it already.
Yeah, mine mix already. As well, the Kenyan Empress, she like the beans and rice, so that's why I make sure get the ital stew.
Yeah, you see.
Papi, mommy, she has to
You
get.
want avocado too? Dee.
Oh, so we're gonna stop and buy avocado.
Yeah, one, you know, say you're right. If you're not right, well, wrong way.
Alright.
Yeah, that one, you know.
Alright. Yes.
So that one, you have veggie chunks now?
No, for
So you say, oh it tastes?
Nice, man, you know.
It tastes everything.
Man, like you, I love it.
Alright.
Yeah.
I love it, man.
Yeah,
Alright.
it's a 4, it's a 32 and 4. 16. 16 and 32, that's 46. 38.
Yourself in a family.
Every time in a family, you
What I'll
don't
say.
know, you know, Rastafari in the world.
It is the
You
way.
don't know, you know, Rastafari in the world wreck. And the
Alright.
world can't wreck, so you
We
know,
are-
Rastafari stand firm.
We are fly.
Rastafari, me I carry juice them, you know.
Alright then. Yeah.
Stand firm and a more positive vibration, you know.
Yes sir.
Give thanks to the item said we, you know.
Yeah man, we give thanks man.
Foundation.
Bless the Lord.
Rastafari, Papa Fire, Mama Fire.
Give a 4 fork. We never get the fork them share.
right.
Get the fork them share.
I want napkin.
Alright.
And the napkin. Yeah man. Mama Fire. Blessed love. I don't want to take the whole pot, but I don't want to do it.
Let me tell you. Next time you pat me that problem.
Yes. I don't want to take the whole pot, you know, so we get juice as well, you know.
Yes, sir.
So we're healthy, you know.
Yes, sir. Give her
Prepare
thanks.
for the road, you know.
Give her thanks.
Yeah man, much love man, much love.
The virgin I tell you about Altanis, the man, Chenstone, and Firebone. Original, you know Firebone?
Yeah man,
Yes,
original man, original
And
man.
we know from step to step.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah man. Alright, blessed love.
Mama, clear out thy way.
Alright then. Alright, Mama Fire.
Take care.
I tell you.
Data Fire. Bingy Pele. Blessed. Manners and strength. Alright. Blessed love. Yeah man, sir. Yeah, the good coconut eye. Well, we're loaded now with food. Food. We don't wait at what meat? Yeah. Yeah, you have to go hold them on your front still. You can put the juice on the back there, so there. You have to go hold the food. Sit down, man. Go in and sit down. Put them on your foot. Yes man, so you know we get the ital is vital. Remember guys, look at this beautiful place. So you can come here, sit down and eat, you know. The ital from over there, you can come here and sit and eat. How wonderful will that be? Sitting by the seaside, you know. Eating and lovely. So now we're going to head back out now, you know. Head back out. Yeah. Watch out, mad dog.
Yeah. Way up to the sky.
Whoa.
Where me them man have dig it and take care of my local son as it.
Yeah.
Real man, respect man, high class, eat up to the world. Shades, glasses.
Yeah.
Yeah man, long time I know them youth.
Cool, no?
When I'm younger days, you know. I play for Boys Town. I mean, them youth used to come cheer for me
Yo,
and idol.
can't believe say yo,
See.
about the man done and so, I nah lie.
Real,
You see me?
yeah, man.
Yo, what that's up for this? My dog, I don't want a glass, you know. But through me see it again, so I know say, yeah man, I hustle, brother. Last time I see a whole labor. You see me? I know I come see all the way down and say,
But more you
brother.
promote the business, see him,
See him,
more
man.
you take boy a beat, a clear what you feel me.
I know.
Virgin.
Give me the dark one.
Alright.
Give me the dark one then.
Respect you, my brother, I love you, you're good you.
Promote it for you, see him.
Yeah. Cheers.
Flick it on.
Yeah.
See,
Good you.
flick it on then. We promote the man thing then, right?
Yeah, my brother.
Cause brother, all of them same place. I'm
Yeah.
surprised when I see the man down here. Cause to them reach as well, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not long reach, brother.
True.
Is it there,
Just the
sir?
school agreed stay there, cause that a baby there. No.
Eh.
I left from that a baby and come over.
Yeah, no.
Real, man.
Yeah, you.
True,
Nah,
man.
like,
Give
man,
thanks,
man.
man.
Like,
Appreciate
I love
it,
the
yeah.
hustle, yeah, man.
Yeah,
I
man.
love the
Good
hustle,
you.
brother. We can't believe. I look crowd, you know. I mean the voice, and I say, like, we the man dog this.
Yeah, what I mean, see about, man.
Yeah,
Fight
energy,
for
man.
survive to take care of my son, you know.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why I'm telling him, say, go on to school, go learn.
Play some ball cause you love ball. Play some ball. Go on to school, go learn. Get yourself out of trouble. Do some book work. And him say, yes, daddy. Him say, alright then. Go on, go do what you know you have to do.
Yes, sir.
Send him off this morning again. To them say I'm going to play him last match. Pepsi match, but he want to score.
He want to score.
So I say determination.
Love where you go
score.
Love where you go
father score a whole heap of goal.
For boys town.
For boys town. Yeah.
Love where you go to for your youth. I don't lie, my dog. You see me? You see me? Really inspiring for no one say, yo, you chat the work a long time. The money and sell glasses. You know, for the money I travel all the way from Kingston. So last time I did a whole, I'm like, my dog. I know I'm just reached down here and I look and see the man again now. I said, Jaja. Portland. You see me? And I bust a jump and come in here.
Yeah, I take a taxi from Half-a-Tree, come on Natta Bay, and something from Natta Bay, come over Buff Bay. It's a place where I frequent with, you know.
Okay.
While I come over here and walk, I say most of the youth, them and the people, them know me.
I said, man, as a ball, I have to be a skipper, man. I'm a skipper inside, I run you go.
Yeah, man. I want a big baller, man. I want a big baller, man. Jaja. My dog, I got move then, you know.
Give thanks to energy and the support.
Anyway, prior to chat, man.
Yeah, man, cooler, man. All of your ball, generals, and big up, yeah? Kino Life in Jamaica. Can check it on YouTube, Kino Life in Jamaica, yeah? One Trenchtown Heights. Yeah, man, people, you see that all the way from Trenchtown, this man, always a trouble, I see them glasses. They never buy no glass, you know, but just give me a contribution card show me what I see me do. And him say, Kino, you have to go promote one of them glass. So I just take one of the glass them then and see it, I promote the man thing. Is the man said, man, give me a glass, see me, give me a contribution. I tell you. Quite, you know, it surprised me, moved me to realize that the man always have moved on just to make ends meet to his son, you know. Man, I tell you, this is what they need to do. Come out. Man left all the way from Trenchtown. Trenchtown them come from 3rd Street to do the program. That's where the man come from. You see me, and the man come all the way down here, so I said them glasses then. You know, glasses. Jaja. Hey. Well, you know, we're back now, finally I'm back. You know, Dee finished our hair, the African Empress, you know, because they must call her Empress, so the Empress finished our hair now. I mean, I tell you, listen, why you tell me if you recognize this lady when time she's walking down this step, you know, the Empress herself, you know. It's quite surprising because when time came and she was when I came and she was doing her hair, I'm like, where's Dee? You want to see Dee? I couldn't recognize her for a minute, you know, so she caught me by surprise, you know. I know she's gonna caught a lot on the eyes by surprise, you know, so once when she's coming down the steps, you know, we're here waiting on her to get ready and things, so you know, so we're gonna hit the road to Ocho, you know. After Ocho, you know, we're gonna head at the next destination, you know, so we keep it moving, you know, keep it moving. Let me say, blessed love to all, blessed love to all. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs, you know. I hope you're enjoying the movement and everything, you know. It's been a blessing, you know, and the Almighty, you know, been guiding us, you know, the Almighty been protecting us, you know, and I give thanks, you know, for the path that the Almighty have set, you know, because you never know, because we're on a journey, you know. In life there's a journey, and the journey, it is what it is. You never know what your journey will be, but you have to accept it, you know, accept what is, you know, and what is, you know, is the unseen force. So we have to just accept it, you know, and give thanks and be positive towards life, you know, and be happy. So yes, man, as you can see, I'm up the hill. I know this hill already, you know. I'm up the hill back here in Portland. Yeah, so finally now the Kenya Empress, I guess she's walking down the step now. She's coming down, so I have to go take off my glass to see that one here. Well on. So I have to take off my glass for that one. You see me? So you know, say no want nothing in my eyes, so you can't see me, so I can't see her clearly. I don't want nothing look dark, want it look bright. Understand? So I'm telling you, she's coming down. Hey
guys, I want to jump.
Oh, you're an Empress now, you're royal, you cannot jump. Walk come down gently. Empress.
I just want to jump from here.
No, Empress, no, you can't do that on the camera. Because if anything happens, it's all on the camera. You know? Royal.
It's going to happen.
Ain't it? Wow.
Hey guys, outfit of the day. OTTD, outfit of the day.
What a surprise.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you all doing good. So this is yours truly,
Dee Mwango. Tell me, did you recognize her? Oh, she's looking like a real Empress now. Look at that.
New hairdo.
New hairdo.
Yeah, so now I just changed to a Rasta girl. Actually, I want to lock my hair, so I just started like braiding it for it to grow a little bit. Then I'll be locking it, honestly.
Wow.
So change is good and change is paramount. I've been having my short hair for the longest, like 3 years down the line.
Yeah.
So I thought, you know what, we're gonna change. Anyways,
Transition.
let me know how you love my outfit of the
day.
day.
Come on, give her some ratings, you know, because all the time them see you in the shorts or the bikini.
And that is it.
And that is what now.
Today I look like an Empress.
Long. Royal Empress from Kenya. All the rest of them.
Guys,
come step down again, give them a royal step. Hey.
Hey guys.
Empress.
So, be sure to subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica. He's amazing. Let's get him to 50k subscribers. And thank you so much for the love, Team Kino. You're the best. Thanks so much for loving me, for supporting me as well. And if you're watching this for the first time and you're wondering who I am, my name is Dee. I'm from Kenya. I'm a solo traveler. I've been to like 40 countries. Jamaica is my 40th country. I travel and make travel videos. So feel free to come check me out on my page, Dee Mwango on YouTube. Help me get to 400k subscribers.
400,000k. So
today I just don't know, it's a mixture of reactions.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
We are excited at the same time. It's
we're
just something else.
We're really excited because remember she surprised me. As I told you, say, when I see her getting her ear done earlier on, I was quite surprised, you know, because I remember I went to get the ital food and I tell her that Dee's getting her ear done and trust me, it's going to be a surprise. So when I came now and I see everything completed and she's ready, I'm like, whoa, the Empress.
I was like, Dee used to look like an adopted child.
No, she is looking like her Empress now. So Rasta, are you watching? Rasta, you see, she got what it takes, you know, she got what it takes.
I love the colors, you know. So from the ground it's black, my hair, I dyed it to be fully black. Then I have the green and the red. Only the yellow is missing, but I have the yellow on my dress.
So she have the red, green and gold representing. So you see that? Don't you look like an Empress now? So type the Empress for me, please. Type Empress Dee in the comment section for me. She done well. So I know I can't put on back my glass, right? Because I told them I have to take off my shades to look good if it's Dee coming down the stairs. So now I realize it's her, so I can put my shades back on. You know, because I know we're going to hit the road. You know, we're going to hit the road and take on the journey.
So guys, finally it's time for us to say goodbye. You know, like personally, honestly, goodbyes are the hardest. I've been here in Portland for quite some time, and Miss Little Hot Kitchen have been hosting us here. Oh my gosh, like I don't know how to describe her. And she's just amazing. Like the other day my clothes fell down. You know when you're washing your clothes and you have lots of white clothes, then you leave them out. I had gone to create content, then it rained so much, so they fall down, all of them. You know how it feels like your clothes falling down and they're white on a rainy day. She picked them up for me, washed them, dried them, and folded them and brought them to me. Like, oh my gosh,
mommy will do,
like what my mommy will do.
What her mommy
just think about that.
Yeah,
like
man.
that to me, like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, for real, cause for liquor, you see me at kitchen, they say the hospitality, what she showed us, the love, the compassion, like she's such a kind lady with a loving heart, and all we can ask you if you do, just go and subscribe, you know, go and check out Miss Liquor at Kitchen.
That's
you
the
know.
best way you can say
yes,
thank you.
I'll
The
put
link is in the description.
So I'll put a link in the description, so please, you know, and whenever you feel like to come in here to Portland and you want to link up Miss Liquor, we can give you a contact. I can come here and I tell her she will make room for you. You understand? She will cook for you. She will look out for you. You know, once you know that, it'll show her the love and the respect. Same way, you know. So if you want, she can accommodate you. You know, I'm telling you, you can come enjoy this wonderful nature. You know, just looking here, the breeze, you know, and everything.
Coming here, you're a respectful person.
Yes, so come here very respectful, you know, when you're coming to see Miss Liquor at Kitchen. And you also have J-Bud as well too. You have so much YouTuber here on the stretch. Same way you can check out, you know, but I tell you to be a joy when you come here and link up with them. You know, and big up Color Smith TV as well too.
For inviting us. Thank you so much. God bless you, Colors. You're the best. Anyway, guys, so we have a lot of activities to do today. So I have some small surprise for her because this is just me, because as I said, she's more of a mother to me, just like how I love Congrats Mom back home. And I always go out of my way at least to put some smile on her. So the same thing I'm going to do for Miss Little Hot Kitchen. Yesterday we went to the supermarket. Kino helped me out. I did some shopping for her, so I'm gonna be surprising her. She has no idea. We shopped yesterday and left everything in the trunk.
Yes. So guys, you can check out the surprise on Dee's channel. You know, you're gonna see the surprise on her channel. You know, no, we're just telling you what's gonna happen. So you can go over to Dee's channel and watch the surprise, what she's gonna get.
Anyway,
you know,
guys,
so
we love you so much.
Blessed love to all. Mama Africa, Jamaica, the fatherland. Africa, the motherland, the fatherland. Hey, that is it.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Empress. Slither right here. So blessed love to all. Oh, I'm so tall, Miss Liquor.
What?
Jesus crime.
Yeah.
Look there.
No side look bad.
No side look bad.
No.
Oh God, Miss Liquor, stand up on the block. Stand up on the block.
Oh God, man.
Oh gosh. Mummy, are somebody tall? Miss Liquor, Jesus Christ. Yeah, man, so as I say, it's a blessing. Miss Liquor is a wonderful person, you know, kind-hearted. She treats us like a mom, you know. She wake up us breakfast, we get lunch, we get dinner, we get knock.
Yeah.
You want porridge, you want this, you want that. I'm like,
that is Miss Liquor and she can't change.
She cannot change, you know. It's really a blessing, man. I'm telling you. Come on, dear. I'm telling you, it's really a blessing, you know, for you hosting us, you know, the hospitality. It's wonderful.
Something you can't trade for.
You cannot trade for. I'm gonna say,
not
please.
Even money can buy.
Not even money.
Yeah.
So remember, you're more than welcome. If you're watching, please go and check out Miss Liquor at Kitchen.
And help us say thank you so much.
Yeah. And you're more than welcome. Whenever you come to Jamaica, you want to come visit Miss Liquor, you know. Her arms is wide open, you know. She'll make room for you. You know, no matter where she'll make room, just come and show her the love and appreciation. You know, she cook for you, everything. Listen.
Oh my, come and take a love people.
I'm telling you, she's so much of a people person. I would thank you so much, Miss Liquor. You know, we're gonna miss you.
Yes,
you know, hopefully we're gonna see you back soon, you know?
Yes.
Cause we have to come back here, is a must.
Sure.
Yeah. It's because of your love and your kindness, we have to come back.
That is so
we cannot
good.
go.
And actually we've never stayed anywhere longer like
Exactly, because we feel so much at home.
Yes, everywhere we've gone we've never stayed longer as we did here.
Yeah. So we have to come back. So here
3 days we've gone.
Exactly.
But here it was more of home.
So finally, we find home, right? We find our second home.
Glad you guys enjoy the house, maybe but not big and splashy.
No, it's enough. It's more than enough.
It's more than enough.
The heart is all that means the world.
Of course.
You know? You can be somewhere, mansions and all that, but you're not even happy. How people treat you, how they talk to you. You feel like out of place. But the moment you feel like home, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
We've been the happiest here.
Of course, the compassion, you see me, that's priceless. Money can't buy. It has to be natural from the heart. If it's not from the heart, it's not gonna work. So that's how we feel the love, guys. Natural from the heart, just like the nature. So please, the link will be in the description. Check out Miss Liquor at Kitchen. I almost said at Kitchen. Hey, everything in the hat. We, you know, hot. So remember, so put on your dribbler whenever she's cooking, because your mouth I gotta run water. You know.
Also a special shout out to Kunte.
Kunte as well. Where's Kunte?
In the Ghana Road.
Okay, so
special shout out to Kunte. He has been helpful. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Kunte. God bless you.
Yeah,
right?
man. So Kunte
keep
is
up the good heart and spirit. Eh?
Yeah, Kunte. So Kunte there is gonna live long. So Kunte knows Miss Liquor last wash belly.
Yes.
You know, our last son. We call him wash belly here in Jamaica. I mean, I tell you, so him is like a brother to us. You know, I'm telling you, he's like a brother to us. And so Kunte here will come up the stairs.
It's so funny, we're talking about him and he just appeared.
Exactly. So you see, you can't chat him, you know.
No.
I come screech up. I'm here, you call my name. You know. As him say, must live good with people.
True.
Kunte, the man himself. See me, Miss Liquor at Kitchen
Having
last.
some goodies.
Yeah, so see there.
Wash belly duties.
People, this is Kunte, Miss Liquor at Kitchen, son, you know. I'm gonna say this man's like a brother to us, you know. And I'm sure that the love.
Today, and we just wanna say thank you so much.
Yeah.
We're gonna come back and thank you for being so good to us.
Yeah.
You're the best.
Definitely I'll come back, man, bro. I'm gonna say I love the energy and the love where you show me. As I say, it's so much.
Yeah, we love people.
Yeah.
Nice people. We love good people.
Yes,
and when you see good people, good art, you can identify them.
True.
So you just identify, you don't have no fear, you just
and welcome them in
and that's
arms.
how I feel about.
And that's what people always ask me, Dee, how do you travel alone? You're not scared? I always tell people, when you're a good person, you meet good people. You don't need to fear anything, just go. The strangers you've never met, they'll be more than what you can imagine.
Sure,
the best.
so
Just
so
be a
much.
good person, have a good heart, and the universe will work everything out for you.
That is it. Yeah, man. So guys, please go and check out Miss Liquor at Kitchen. You know, as I said, Kunte is here. We get it specialized in the drinks, the juice, you know, the beverage, everything. So the same kitchen. So if you don't see Miss Liquor, you see Miss Kunte in it. So if you see Miss Liquor, Miss Kunte there behind the camera. You know, so you know it's versatility. You know, it's there. The whole family, the loving family. So they say, more than welcome, right, Miss Liquor?
Yeah.
Them can come. Miss Liquor will make room for you. You know, just come. Kunte will make the juice, the meal for you. Just, of course. As you can see, you know, we welcome the love. Of course.
Never.
So right now, Miss Liquor is taking bookings. Right? Miss Liquor is taking bookings. So please come and book a day or 2 or 3. Just come and feel the love. Sit down right and the jelly tree and everything. It's love. Kunte. Yeah, man. Nice but I have to come back. Listen, we shouldn't be saying too much goodbye because I come back within a couple of days or so. No, so it's like my neighbor string cut here, so now. Yeah, it's like I get tired. You see me can't left. No, we can't left. Right, Dee? We're back. So this is like the second home for us, you know, the hospitality, the welcome, the love. Yeah, man, we're here, man. We are come put in some work up there, so try to get the hammock, you know. Put the hammock up there so we can well cruise, man. It's too comfortable here, man, to leave it alone. What?
Just dry so.
Yes, no, man. Nature winner, man. We can't leave it, man. Kunte, man. Miss Liquor.
We are already here.
So we're gonna hit the road now.
Yeah.
God, go with you guys. Safe journey, safe travel. And I
Alright.
hope you meet up nice people. Yes. So we're gonna feel welcome and happy.
Thank you.
Fire data. Oh, go on. Not ready yet. I bring up Empress for you from Kenya. Rastafari. So I bring back a guest for you all the way from Kenya.
Mama Land.
Mama Land.
I'm just do a Mama Africa tour in a way. I tell you rough, me I tell you, you know, man.
Yeah.
Like me just in the Bible and I say, Mama. Mama.
Big singer.
Mama Africa, yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, Mama, for the 9 months to carry I in your womb, no chance.
Yeah.
Mama, my love for you is more than words can say at this time. And though you are not here in flesh, but you still live on to your sons and daughters, children. Mama, 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 Africa, yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, and for so many years of slavery, could never forget so easily. Mama, 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 Africa, yes, I'm coming home. And for so many years of blood, sweat and tears, could never wipe away so easily. Mama, 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 Africa, yes, I'm coming home.
Oh.
I see the light come shining, oh, from the east down to the west. Any day now, anywhere, I shall be released from Babylon chains and poverty, them brutality and bag of madness. Oh, mama, mama, oh, mama, 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 Africa, yes,
Wonderful. Fire that and move forward. So make sure we bring our Empress for you. Make sure go and eat and forward back.
Yeah.
You know? She eat the food and she want more. So you know, say it's lovely.
Ital is vital.
Ital is vital. I'm gonna buy one of them here as well too, you know, because
That's good.
it's very good as well.
Anywhere you're paying, you can rub it.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy one.
And for your ear, grow up your ear more.
So the natural coconut oil. All coconut. See, I have to circle back for one more, two more food. I have to circle back look on the steam.
Oh my.
See that on the stove.
Rastafari.
You can smell the coconut run through your nose. Hot and ready, me say it hot and ready. Hey, hot and ready, me say it hot and ready. Hot and ready, me say it hot and ready. Ital is vital, it's ever ready. Ready. Color loop. Right to the isla loop.
Alright, bring that one there, go.
Alright. Hot. Box hot.
Real hot.
Well hot. Woo. Can't wait for that.
Alright, so you say one.
Fair one are the straight beans. Straight stew.
Beans.
A man of the
I'm
mix.
going to ask her again. Yeah, what way you want enough, you know?
It and the chunks.
It and the chunks. Alright.
Ital is vital.
Yeah,
Chunks. Empress Sarah. Say hello to my vlog. Empress Sarah.
Hello.
Empress Royal.
Yeah, we'll take the pattern and shoes.
See, I have to return for another
Alright,
one.
come on.
I have to return for another. So we get to food now. We get our food. So you know, so it's time to head out. We're heading right out, right out, right out. stop here in Port Maria.
Port Maria?
Yeah. Port Maria.
I'm gonna recharge credit for my phone.
Yeah. And the way to Ocho. Mind the water and you find that. Yeah.
There's no craft market.
Craft market?
Craft market.
With that for arts.
I need to buy some sandals.
Sandals. Yes guys, so just make a stop in Port Maria. Yeah, so we're in Port Maria now. You know, new place coming, so we're in Port Maria, so make a stop and get some flow credit. You know, get some flow credit. Heading to Ocho Rios, you know, my first time here in Port Maria. You know, so Port Maria itself. Okay. Port Maria.
Can we get this thing for the coconuts? Let me get it.
Greater. So these getting a greater. And a bag?
No, sorry about that. Yeah, maybe you want. How dare we tell them about? What we say to you?
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
For the coconuts. The bush. I have everything. I have dishes. The only thing we don't have is a knife. You have a knife?
Well. What do you say, guys? Well. So you know, we're here. We're here. We're reaching Ocho Rios. You know, finally, we're here. You know, and it's wonderful. It's been a nice drive. You know, it wasn't too much of a rough driving or anything. You know, but finally we reach safe. Thank you to the Almighty for guiding us, protecting us to reach here safe and sound. You know, so as you can see, the view is wonderful because we're right on the top. You know, right on the top. It's not far away from the first. So where we was, Moon Palace. That's where Moon Palace is. That's where it was the last time. Moon Palace over there. Those buildings. Right, Oliver? Right, Carla? Boom down the mine. So the Moon Palace is over there. So we're here showing some views. This is the view. You know, we're up on the top. So over there, look at the building some more Airbnb over there. You know, well, them call this, it's a resort. You know, so it's a mini resort over here. It's very nice, it's beautiful, very cozy. You know, it's very cozy. So we have a relaxing night like jacuzzi, you know, so we give thanks. So yes, so we're gonna be here for like a couple of days, and then now you know the thing goes already. So wonderful. We're here. That day was over there, Moon Palace.
Huh?
That's where I was staying the last time.
Where?
That tall building.
Oh, the white one.
Yeah, you see the Oliver, uncle we can just speak to. That's where him take us the last time over there, nice. 2 building there. That's a resort. It's lovely.
It's lovely.
Very lovely, you know. And there's another place that is not far from here. You know, it's not far, but I love the view. You know, it's wonderful. Look at the buildings of more over there. That is it. So here's the looking like a superstar.
Like an
Empress. Yeah, royal.
Of the day.
Yes, the outfit. Look, it match the building as well. To look at the building. It's all matched.
Alright,
wow, guys.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Time to check in.
Okay, so we're gonna check in. So we're gonna go and stay tuned. Remember, please put the thumbs up, like before watching. You know the thing. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. And so we have a pool area as well too. Wow. Pool. We have pool. Ocho song I play now, man. So finally we're here, you know. So we got 2 rooms, you know. So I'm gonna check out my room, and then after we can go and check out Dee's room, right? So I'm gonna give you a room tour. Dee, you want a video for me?
Yes, that is it. I'm the camera girl.
Hey, come check out.
So welcome to Kino's property, crib or whatever.
Yeah. So in the future, when time I save up some money, I don't know, so I'm gonna buy something like this. So.
So this is how it looks like at the outside. It's so pretty. And let's just give you the room tour, then he'll show you the outside. So this is my bag because I'll be checking in my room soon. So welcome to Kino's place.
So welcome to Kino Humble's home.
Yeah.
Right here I got 1 single bed. Hey. 1 single bed. Like colors that chuck off them jacuzzi. So this is my jacuzzi, you know. So you got a nice, oh, it's not real.
Yeah, bamboo.
It's them bamboo with some, you know.
So pretty.
So you know, it's a single room, you know. I got my single chair for myself. One time I got edit. I put my computer right here. I sit down right here and I'm editing. Yes, so I got a TV here on the wall, which I'm not gonna be watching any TV. Okay, you know, say as a YouTuber, you don't watch TV, you have to be editing. Here we keep all the stash.
The gold.
Which is, man, I have nothing to save. You know, iron board. You see, everything is one chair to sit down by myself. You know, so here is the bathroom. Take a look in my bathroom.
So clean.
Ooh.
Yo, look at that. Spotless.
Whoa.
I wanna open. Kino, how do you open here?
Let me open it, please, because I don't want you mash it up and have to come use your one. And not like when man use in the bathroom.
This is how it looks. Some soap right here where to take shower. Looks so spotless, so clean.
Spotless.
Be the reason someone smiles.
Okay, so it's making me smile. It's making me smile.
The sink, so clean.
And you know, kind of fancy mirror this is, you know. Oh, whoa, them dead. Wow, fancy. Should I want to go and touch it and see what happened on that one? Yeah, that off, that on,
and
wicked.
the other one?
And this one. Oh, that one look like steam, so probably it a cook. Yeah, so that's it right there.
Very clean sink. Some more detergent. Wow, the toilet so clean. Wow.
Yes, very, very clean. So you know that
look at that. Extra towels.
Extra towels for me, you know. Dark towels for the dark skin.
How can you use the dark towels and you have the white ones? Me, I cannot.
Hey, I'm telling you. So this is it. This is it. So
the light also
there
is beautiful. The light is nice.
Yes. The microwave. Hello. Hey.
Dad, please, how can I help you?
Dee Mwango. Wow.
Alright, guys, welcome to my beautiful space.
Wow.
Welcome to my home. It's more beautiful than Kino's place.
Of course, listen, Dee, I'm putting you out. I am putting her. You have a glass case with a remote inside.
So we have a seat right here for me. Somewhere to work on. I love it, love it, love it. The decor is beautiful. Julian, big up, you're doing an amazing job. I love it. A big TV that I'll never turn on because I'm so busy editing the videos for you guys. And I have my beautiful bed.
Hey,
ooh, looks so good.
You have a kitchen. I'm in a kitchen. Oh wow, look, she have cupboards. No, Dee, I'm gonna put up this Airbnb. I don't understand what's going on.
I have everything.
She have everything.
Yours is a bachelor, single man.
Look on the microwave.
You just see everything the moment you wake up.
Look now, but look on the fridge. We have a little mini fridge over.
No, mini fridge. You have no fridge. I think you have it, but so small.
It's very small. My fridge is very, and your microwave is so big.
Yeah.
And look at this. Even though I'm not going, but look at your stove.
The cooker, everything.
I don't give a stove for boiled tea. Imagine. Look at your.
And this is my bathroom. So beautiful. All these towels. Yo, it's beautiful. Then someone to take shower right here.
The only thing
I love it.
I think my shower is much better than her shower.
No.
Because I can press my mirror like this deep, deep. You know, I have a little counter. And look, listen, I think my shower is much better.
Because of the mirror?
Yes.
Maybe.
Yeah, because of the mirror. And plus, you have a little pavement as well where we was seeing the towels. And now your towels on the top of this, you know, tiled top. So I guess I have an advantage. I can press my mirror, boom, and get light.
And this is my word on the wall. Today is a new day. You can start fresh, wipe the slate clean, begin again. These are my wordings. Listen with your whole heart. Okay, be the change you wish to see in the world.
Yes.
Yo,
I'm like, look her sitting here. Ooh.
Beautiful, yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
I love this decor too. It's wow, it's pretty. Look at that. Alright guys, so this is my room. Kino is just a neighbor next door. So let me know which room you love more. You haven't seen the mirrors on my wall.
Mirrors on the wall. No.
What are these for?
Yeah. Let me go back over my room, because it's come like something is missing over my room. No, look what. Listen, I have a one chair. I have a mirror on the wall.
Yeah.
Look at my microwave, people. Look at my mini fridge.
At your dishes.
At my dishes. Oh Lord. But look, tell the truth. My bathroom is much better than hers, because I have this. We can put the towels. Look at my sink. I'm a bossy light you can press. Bling bling. You know, should I have that? Isn't it? I'm a glass shower.
Wow.
So tell the truth, my shower is more.
It's pretty.
It's pretty.
And big.
And big. Look at this.
Yeah.
I can even relax here if I want. Look, people, look, see there? I'm relaxing right here.
Yeah, and money falling down.
Look, I'm relaxing in my shower like this. If I'm ready for bed yet, I come here and go and sit down and relax. Right, Dee?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to show you about Dee shower now. See? So it's not bad. So look, she's my neighbor. I'm going right next door. Next time you knock before you come in my house, okay?
Yeah, yes sir.
So look now people, so the big difference, she have this over me,
and
she have a kitchen over me, a bigger microwave,
the cooker, the sink,
a bigger fridge, you know, and the shower,
yeah,
great nothing.
That is it. Alright guys, soon we're gonna be going to swim a little bit, so stay tuned Wagwan and watch Wagwan.
Watch Wagwan in this kitchen. Yeah? Bye bye.
Alright kid. Cheers guys. See you later.
See you later. You see she put me out already. Yes. So, how wonderful this is. Oh, wonderful. Even though my bathroom more bossy than fair, that's the only thing when I lead her by my bathroom settings. Yes, guys. Oh, what is in a jar? What them leave? Weed for me? No, is it? Look like a jar of weed now. Yes, so this is my mini stay, here in Ocho, Rios. And it's lovely with my local one chair. So yes, so when I'm gonna edit, I can sit down right here and edit. Bang bang. So I'll be good. I'm calm. Yeah man, so we give thanks. Dream team, one team. Blessed love to all. Remember guys, if you haven't subscribe. If you haven't put the thumbs up while watching, put the thumbs up. Give the video a like. So thank you so much. Here with Ocho Rios, on the journey have to continue. You know how it goes. That is it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.